in this line right here, have a look. Scanner.nextLine, this returns a string, which means that if I run this, I can pretty much just add anything. I can add numbers, I can add a string, space, pretty much anything, and then run it. You can see that this works. Now, sometimes you might want to limit the data type that goes into your input. So in here, let's just basically use the scanner again, and I'm going to say scanner. So next int, next big decimal, integer, boolean, byte, double, float, long, short, and I'll cover this method in a second. But basically, let's say that I want to only take integers. So next int, and in here, I'm going to say, for example, age. I want to say South, so let's just print before. So South, what is your age? And if I now say in here, if, and then age is less than 15, then I'm going to print, so South, you are a child, otherwise else, South, you are an adult. Cool. So let's just run this. So first we have, hello, what is your name? In here, let's just say John, for example. And then it says, hello, John, what is your age? And here, if I type anything other than a number, this will fail. So let me just add a number first. So let me just say 15. And oops. So I think we have a bug in here. So I said 15 and, oh, actually this is meant to be 16, my bad. So less than 16, right? So if you are 16, then you are an adult, otherwise not. So what I want to show you actually is if I run this again, so if I say, for example, John again, and what is your age? So in here, let's just say, for example, A, and have a look. So now this throws an error in here, and we'll learn about errors later. But have a look. Process exit with code and then 1. Remember I said if it ends with 0, it means that everything was fine. Otherwise, if is 1 or anything else, it means that there was a problem. And in here you can see that exception in thread main blah blah blah, and then it gives us the actual line number. So main.java line 14. So this is where it failed because we passed a letter, but this next int is expecting a number. So this is how you can basically have control of the data type that you receive from your inputs. Later, I'm going to show you how to handle errors properly. And yeah, this is all for this video. So go ahead and explore next double, next big decimal, next boolean, so on and so forth. And as always, I'm going to give you exercises so that you can practice all of this.